though. I hope this one's stuck in your leg. Yeah, now I can play single player. Fuck you. Yes, I can actually. Yeah. Oh crap! But oh no! I think I've got a skill. Shit. Oh, in my inventory it paused. That's lovely. Oh no, it lagged at just the right time. The lag saved us. The lag saved us. Oh, did you see that? Did you see that? Alright, let's find you some meds. Look, I lit the fire as well, look. You're dead. You're lag dead. Trust me, you're dead. This swing that's lagging out is gonna kill you. I think you're the beheaded one. Only because I might need you at some point. No. Pick up the fabric. Oh! Fine, kill me. No, because somebody's got to kill me and save me in order for me to have more health. No, but then I said, yes, you're just such an Indian giver. You're an Indian giver. Kill me. I'm not going anywhere till you kill me. Yeah, but then you'll have to kill them and save my ass. I don't die to zombies. It's not allowed. You just let them kill me. Oh, don't lose this. Kill the other one. You're missing. You're aiming the wrong way. Use the mouse. Remember, aim with the mouse. Yeah, because I'm a bitch. I'm the bitch that's gonna kill you after you provide me. Nah, we're gonna teamwork. Like properly. Just get me up. My hair's already blood red. What more do you want? I've already got a ginger minge. Now get me up. Isn't that bad enough that I've got a ginger minge? Oh god, there's loads. Cool XP I got. I just want you to kill zombies and follow me, but it's not hurt me. Just don't hurt me and follow me. You don't even have to kill zombies, alright? Get drunk then, or high, or put some cocaine in your eye. Don't lie, you know it's crack cocaine you've been smoking. Move! 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 I keep slapping you in the back of the head with this machete until you move. Could you at least roll down a little bit first, like down the screen? How am I waiting for you when you're already dead, for fuck's sake? I found the here. Back here.